What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Give me a second. Now we're talking. Welcome, guys. Welcome to a new video. I know this video was supposed to be my dyno video, but I got a video coming up very soon. I just have to edit a lot of things, and my first time at the dyno, it didn't go well, so the car is back, and there's a few things I have to correct before bringing it back. One good news is this package came in. Now, I already unboxed it just because there was a few things on this side. As you can see, like a few things here and there. Just to make sure everything was good when I was unboxing it. And then also, obviously, my address is like all over this thing, so I took that off. But this is the TBTCarbon rear wing blade. So we'll be replacing that today. So this is the factory, TRD style rear wing blade. You can see it has a little bit of a kick up. Sticks out just a slight bit, pretty subtle. Has a little bit of kick up. It's pretty thick. It's like a teardrop motion kind of because it's thinner in the back. It also kind of curves up a bit, you can see there. I feel like the TBTCarbon one is just slightly more aggressive, and it's kind of the look that I'm going for, especially when I get the rest of the kit on this car. But this is to start and looks good even with the stock kit, so yeah, let's get this out of the box. By the way, this came from Dominican Republic, and let me tell you, it is packaged amazingly. Like this thing, wood here, cardboard inside, bubble wrap. It's amazing, amazing, amazing. There's foam inside on the corners. I just finished taking that out. You see over there. But yeah, let's pull this thing out. There she is. Guys, I'm using my Pocket 3 here to record a few things because it's so annoying holding a big ass phone. Anyways, so I have to take out these two screws. We take out with a screwdriver. I hate these screws, but I try to paint them black so you can't really see them. But I really don't know what else I could use for this because they're very, very tiny. Let's see if I can focus. There you go. They're very, very small. So I don't know what else I could use for this. So once that's out, there's these two Allen bolts here, which I'm going to be replacing with these. These are hard to see, but give me a second. With these right here, these are 10 millimeters with a thicker washer, and they're actually like very, very good grade. So I'll be removing these. I feel like these aren't just strong enough. And I also added those onto the wing here because the ones in here were kind of bending. And I feel like it's just from the wind hitting it. It was kind of bending it backwards a little bit. So, I mean, this thing could have lifted off at any time. But I have seen that happen. So I'm going to be replacing with these. For those interested in what hardware I'm using, so I got this from, it doesn't come with these titanium bolts. That's from something else. But I ordered these from Amazon. It comes with all these right here. They're black zinc plated alloy steel. So, I mean, they're really good, very good quality. And these are the type of bolts that I like. A bunch of 10 millimeters and stuff like that. So they're really good for other stuff. And yeah, I suggest you guys pick these up. I'll have the Amazon link in the description down below. Alright guys, so here's kind of a side-by-side comparison of how they look. So you can see the TBTCarbon has like a little lift right here and then back down. Kind of like a STI wing, I want to say, where it has that little hump in the center. They're both really good quality. I'm actually surprised by this one because I don't know what brand this is. It just came on the car, but the quality on the sides is really good. Let me show you guys. Hard to see, but they're pretty good. The threads inside are very, very nice too. Like they're pretty nice, not bad. Same for this one. So this one's definitely thinner than this one, and the carbon looks pretty similar. This one's also been exposed to the sun more, so. All right, let's get this one put on. I did have to drill a little bit on this side, right here, just to extend it further out. I feel like the holes are just too close. Let's get this thing out in the center here. You guys probably hear my SpongeBob feet walking around. Nice. And underneath, I was touching this all over. I'm also gonna wax it. I don't know what they put on it to cure it, but they didn't put anything. Now would be a good time to wax it. All right, guys, I'm back. I don't know what happened. My camera just started updating out of nowhere as soon as it connected to my Wi-Fi, which it should be connected to Wi-Fi all the time. So I don't know why sometimes. Anyway, it looks extremely good. I like it a lot. I feel like now, because of how aggressive it looks on the back. So, okay, so if you guys can see, that's how much it sticks out. So it does stick out a lot more than the other one. Like the curve on it is insane. But the kick up is also very nice. But because it sticks out so far, like now I have to do something. Now I have to add a diffuser. And then if I add a diffuser, I gotta do skirts. And if I do skirts, I gotta do front bumper. So, yeah, but damn, this thing looks amazing. I love it. Looks really good. All right, guys, switching back over to my phone. So I don't know if you guys like the footage on this or on this better. I guess in this video you'll be able to tell me, but I mean, this wing looks amazing. And so with the bolts that I use and the washers I use, they're a bit bigger than with the hardware that this came with originally. Even down on the stands, this thing is solid. I mean, this thing does not move at all. That's a nice view. Look at that. Yeah, it looks good. Also, if you guys are interested in how far back it sticks out, that's kind of how it looks. So yeah, it is pretty aggressive, I will say that. You don't really notice it sticks out that far unless you're at this angle, or probably like at this angle. But it lines up perfect. There's no gaps. A little gap there, but that's to be expected. It's pretty tight though. Also on this side, yeah, this side is really tight. So no real gaps or anything like that. I mean, this thing is amazing. Again, if you guys know what I could put on here that makes it look cleaner, please let me know, because I hate the way those look. I try to paint them black so they look less noticeable, but it's just annoying if you get an up close shot and you see fucking sheetrock screws. Quality is 10 out of 10. Fitment, 10 out of 10. Maybe if you guys loosen up these stands a little bit, it would be easier to put on. I mean, mine was pretty easy to put on, but you might have to adjust these. I feel like if I loosened it, it would have been, no, I bolted right up. Or follow me on Instagram yet, go follow me on my Instagram. I'll post it right here. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. My dyno video is coming soon. I know I've been saying this forever, but I just keep running into problems. And now with the ECU problem, which you guys will see in the dyno video, because I did take it to the dyno today. Unfortunately, did not work out as planned. So you guys will see that in a later video. All together, I'll just put all those videos that I have all together into one video. But, damn, this thing looks good. Yeah, I like that. All right. It's late. This was a late install. I know it's going to be quick. Even from back here, it looks really good. All right. It's a late install. I'm going to go to sleep at work tomorrow. So if you guys like the video, please leave a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.